warm up for lowish, highish. It's kind of gonna cover everything. Consider myself both an alto and a soprano, so we're just gonna do this all together. And if it's too low for you, you don't have to sing it. If it's too high for you, you don't have to sing it, but just like jump in and drop out where it makes sense for you. Here we go. Let's do this. We're gonna start out with my favorite, a nice easy hum. And we're gonna start right down here, A3 alto range, but lots of sopranos can hit this too. Here we go. Nice O shape on the inside. Feel the buzz. Our highest note there is A5. So there we go. Nice job, everybody. Same exact interval, but on a lip trill. If you can't do a lip trill, it's okay. You can hum again if you want to. You can use a straw if you want to. Or you can just do NG, which is a really good one as well. Starting in the same spot, A3. Here we go. Okay, the trick for this one is staying on one note, and we're going to practice our vowels. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. So mi is still lifted, tongue is relaxed, it's a little brighter. Mi, me, ma. Think ma, mossum, biting into an apple. Ma, mo, nice and round. And then moo, not moo, but moo. That's what we're practicing here. And all on one sustained breath. It's great for breath control, but also practicing those vowels throughout your range. And you might find a favorite vowel. I don't know, maybe not. Here we go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. I'm really gonna exaggerate my mouth, and we all should. It's good. Okay, here we go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 my favorites, another slidey one, just 1-5-1, ba-da-da. We're gonna slide ma, make it a really sloppy slide, bright, a little bit of a brightness to it. Like you're biting into an apple, ma, ma, ma. This is a great slide. Keep it lifted in the cheeks or that inner smile. Okay, here we go. Ma, ma. I love this one. Boy, oi, 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 oi. It's a tongue workout. In the back, you're gonna feel your tongue do a little push-up, and you want the tip of your tongue on the back of your bottom teeth, and you want your jaw nice and relaxed. Back of the tongue's going like this. Boy, oi, 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 oi. It's gonna train it a little bit. Boy, oi, 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 oi. 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 All right, so we're gonna go no, 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 no. Very bouncy. We're accessing all of our voices. No, a little bit of chest. No, a little bit of mix, a little bit here. No, 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 no. And then as we get higher, we're going to be in our head voice. So it's about prepping just 1 millisecond ahead and knowing where to place it and practicing that. And also using the O, openness, to our advantage, and a little bit of that resonance, no, to our advantage. So do what you will with that, but basically we want to practice the transition, and it's very much about that mix as we go up and getting lighter as we go up, but stay connected to that bouncy breath. No, 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 no. Here we go. We're going to start. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Keep it lifted. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Throw it away. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. One more. No, 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 no. This one's my favorite. Meow, 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 meow. Very gentle, not very loud. The idea is it's nice and easy. It's finding your mix. It's threading the needle. It's not too pushed. Meow, 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 meow. 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 nice siren, as low and to as high as you can, and then back down again. Woo! Woo! Do it a couple of times and thread that needle as you go through to really slide, make it nice and sloppy, have fun. All right, I hope this helped you. I hope you feel ready to sing. Have a good one.